Welcome back to our channel App Tutorial everybody, where we post app related videos, and today I'll teach you guys how you guys can hide your following list on TikTok. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, what you want to do is click on profile at the bottom right corner and come to your TikTok profile and click on the three line at the top and choose settings and privacy. From over here, go on versus privacy and make sure where it says private account it's turned on. Click on switch anyway, and once you do that, basically your account will be private. And once your TikTok account is private, only those people who follow you can basically see your following list. Alright, so for those people who want to follow me, first they need to send me a follow request, and only after I accept their follow request they can follow me and they can see my following list. So which means unless I accept it, nobody else can see my following list. Only the people I've accepted can see it. And if you don't want to turn your account into private account and you just want one person not to see your following list, just block them. Once you block them, they cannot see your account as well as they cannot see your following list, but they will get a notification saying this person has blocked you. Not notification, once they come to your profile searching your name, it's going to either not display your profile or it's going to say you have been blocked. So yeah, it's like the other person is going to know, but if you don't want the other person to know, just turn your account private and you're good to go. So yeah, that's how we guys can hide your following list on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel App Tutorial. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.